Good morning, students. In the last class, we have seen about how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. In this class, we are going to see how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. So first, we will see what is hexadecimal. A hexadecimal, which is also called base 16 or hex for short. Already we in the introduction class I have said that binary as base 2, decimal as base 10, octal as base 8 and hexadecimal as base 16. That is what a hexadecimal, which is also called base 16 or in short they call it as HEX, is a representation of 4 binary bits and consists of 16 numbers and letters. Already we have seen from 0 to 15, 0 to 9 it consists of numbers, and 10 to 15 it consists of alphabets. And the numbers in a X are the same as the decimal numbers from 0 to 9. How many? 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Totally 10 numbers, same as decimal. The big difference between a hex and a decimal is that a hex also contains letters. So decimal contains only 0 to 9, only numbers, but the hexadecimal contains both numbers as well as letters. So the letters are A, B, C, D, E, F. That is from 0 to 9 you have numbers, from 10 to 15 that is A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. So this is what hexadecimal. Okay, X decimal, you know what is decimal, 0 to 9 you know as decimal, and X, that is A to F. Now we will see the conversion, how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Before that we will see that. See here 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, hexadecimal value 0 as 0. Similarly up to 9, 9 as 9. But see here hexadecimal value of A is, decimal value is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. So this is the things we should remember. The difference between the, we should remember the difference between the hexadecimal and the decimal. So hexadecimal has both numbers and letters, but decimal has only numbers. So next we will see how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. See here, these are the important steps you should remind in your mind to convert hexadecimal to decimal. So first we will see, to convert a hexadecimal to a decimal manually, you must start by multiplying the x numbers by 16. If you are x numbers, for example, if any number is given, we should multiply by 16, then you raise it to a power of 0 and increase that power by 1 each time according to the hexadecimal equivalent. So if the hexadecimal number is given and we have to convert that hexadecimal to decimal, we should multiply the given number, given hexadecimal number to 16. For example, they are giving C10, C9. C is, what C is, we will see here. What is the value for C? 12. 12 into 16 power something, likewise. 12 into 16 power 0. C as the value 12. So for example, they are giving only C means 12 into 16 power 0. So anything to the power 0, 1. So 12 into 1, 12. So you are getting the direct value here. So we will see the conversion. I will tell next step. So that is what they are saying. To convert a hexadecimal to a decimal manually, you must start by multiplying the x numbers by 16, then you rise it to a power of 0 and increase that power by 1 each time according to the hexadecimal number equivalent. We start from the right to the hexadecimal number. We should start from right and go to left when applying the powers. Okay, if it is first 16 power 0, if you go to the left, it will be 16 power 1, it will be 16 power 2, it will be 16 power 3, it will be 16 power 4, it will be 16 power 5. Likewise, it will increment towards the left, it will increment. Each time you multiply a number by 16, the power of the 16 increases. If you are getting a fractional part, then you should move towards the right. From right to left, at that time the power will be decreasing. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Already we have seen while making the conversions to binary to decimal. So we will see that in the next slide. See here, this is how we will convert hexadecimal to decimal. So this is the given number E9 base. We have given H is for hexadecimal, or you can give 16 here. So see here, what is 9? See here, 9 into 16 power 0. I have already said the steps. You have to multiply by 16. Okay, first 0 plus E as the value 14 into 16 power 1. So power increases from right to left. We will see. See here, E as the value 14. E as the value 14. So see, so that is why 14 into 16 power 1 plus 9 into this, from this side you have to come. So from this side you have to go. So 9 into first digit is 9. 9 into 16 power 0. It starts from 0. Plus next E as the value 14. So 14 into 16 power 1. If another value is there, for example here, if it is F, then what you will do here? F as a value 15 into 16 power 2 plus, so 16 power 2. So see here, this is how you have to go. So then 16 power 2, the value if you add, you will be getting some output. So this is how you are going to convert hexadecimal to decimal. So 9 into 16 power 0, 16 power 0, anything to the power 0, 1. So 9 into 1, 9. 14 into 16, 224. You are adding, if you add this number, you are getting and base to the power 10. This is how you are converting hexadecimal to decimal. Now we will see using the fractional part. So see here, 3 from here, C as the value. What is the value for C? 12. So plus from here 0.8. So 8 into 16 power minus 1. If there is another number here like 9, 10, 9, it will be 8 into 9 into 16 power minus 2 plus 9 into 16 power minus 2. So you know that 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 means 8 into 1 by 16, you will be getting the value 0.5. So This is the fractional part, 1 by 16. 16 is to 16 power minus 1, you can write 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 into 8 you will be getting 0.5. So see here, from here 0, 1. So power rising while you are moving towards from right to left. From right to left, if you are moving, the power increases. 16 power 0, 16 power 1. So see here, C is 12, F is 15, and so you will be getting this. If you multiply 12 into 1, 12, 15 into 16, 240, 3 into 768, plus if you multiply 1 by, first you should divide 1 by 16, then you have to multiply with 8, then you will be getting this answer. So this is how we are going to convert hexadecimal to decimal. So students, I will give you homework, you should do it. In the next class we will see how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. Thank you.